Hey everyone.
Hi.
Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another tech review. This time it's going to be on the Yuneec Breeze 4K. Now you may be wondering, why this drone? Why not the Spark? And the answer is, it's cheaper. But there's also some pluses to this drone that the Spark doesn't have. So, let's get right into it. This drone retails for about $180 on Amazon. It sports a 4K sensor and can take up to 13 megapixel stills. For being a drone of that size, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
The only thing I would say that might be lacking is foldable arms. This drone is meant to combat the Spark, and because of that, it's only slightly bigger and doesn't have folding arms, so it's really not that big a deal. You can still throw it in a backpack. It even comes with a little carrying case, so you just put it in there, slap that on, and chuck it in a backpack, and you can go. It also comes with this neat little controller. It's pretty good if you really like the classic controls. The controls that come just by flying with your smartphone are inverted. Not all of them, but just forward, you have to pull back on the stick, and then backwards you have to push forward on the stick. Which doesn't make any sense to me because I've been flying drones for like a year and a half now. I will say, the app is a little bit, the app is bad. This drone can shoot 4K video unstabilized, or it can shoot 1080p video stabilized. Now it's not stabilized to the point where it looks like it's on a gimbal. It's not super cinematic.
If we were to want to film a video and get some aerial shots of the skateboarding or a project or something, we'd still by far use the Phantom or a Bebop or something.
This drone has 5 different flight modes. It has basic piloting mode with your smartphone, selfie, orbit, journey, and Bluetooth controller mode. Another very important feature that this drone has is the GPS. This allows you to do all sorts of things. It allows you to go hit return to home when the drone comes back and lands. It's super helpful, especially if you don't know where you are and you're about to hit low battery. Just hit return to home, it'll fly back and land automatically.
Will it automatically avoid like trees and stuff?
No, this drone does not have any extra sensors that help it avoid obstacles. This drone also sends a 720p signal back to your phone, so you can see what's happening through the camera on your phone. It's live feed, that's it. Get off your phone! We're still shooting!
Yes, sure.
Honestly, you're such a screenager. Jeez. Overall impression of this drone. Price range, there's nothing that can beat it. 180 bucks, you're getting 4K video, GPS, pretty reliable flight controls. There's nothing that's going to beat that. If you want to spend a little bit more money, you can probably get a pair of Bebop. We will eventually review that.
Because I am an expert on all things drone.
We will eventually review the pair of Bebop, which I think is better than this drone, but it is more expensive. This is the best bang for your buck, definitely, but the pair of Bebop image stabilization is better, and it's just overall a more intuitive app. Would I recommend this drone? Yes, I would definitely recommend this drone. It is a very solid starter, especially if you get the controller. It'll actually teach you how to fly. It's a little bit complicated to set up, a little bit confusing, but if you work at it, you can definitely get it. So I will leave a link in the description. If you like this video, drop a like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this in the future.
Thanks for letting us waste your time.